Let's talk about the three main concerns of enterprise applications: reliability, scalability, and maintainability. As we all know that most of the applications today are data intensive. The raw CPU power is no more a limiting factor for these applications. Now you may ask what kind of applications are called data intensive applications. So basically, the applications that store data in the databases remember the result of an operation and speed up the reads of the data using the caches, allow users to search data by keywords or filter it in various ways by using search indexes, send a message to another process to be handled asynchronously using stream processing kind of functionalities, and often crunch large amount of data using batch processing. The applications that perform these kind of functions are generally called the data intensive applications if they are dealing with a large volume of data. So, the example of data intensive application can be the big data analytics, the streaming processing apps like social media analytics, and even the IoT sensor data, distributed databases, and data warehousing, the applications that store and manage large amounts of data across multiple servers and locations. Machine learning and artificial intelligence based applications that use large amounts of data to train and improve the predictive models, and data visualization applications too that present the data in a graphical format like dashboard and charts to make it easier to understand and analyze. And we can say all sorts of online gaming, social networks, and e-commerce apps too that use the data intensively. So there are many factors that can affect the design of such kind of applications and data systems, from skills and experiences of your team members to the dependency on legacy system to regulatory constraint to time to scale and delivery, and even your organization's tolerance toward different kind of risk too. And there are three main concerns with which these types of applications deal with most of the time in their life. And these are the issues of reliability, scalability, and maintainability. In his book, Designing Data Intensive Applications, the big ideas behind reliable, scalable, and maintainable system, Martin Kleppmann defined these three concerns perfectly where he writes: reliability. The system should continue to work correctly, performing the correct function at the desired level of performance, even in the face of adversity, like hardware or software fault and even human error. So, reliability in simple words mean the ability of a system to perform its intended function under stated conditions for a specified period of time. Then, what is scalability? As the system grows in data volume or in traffic volume or complexity, there should be reasonable ways of dealing with that growth, which means the ability of a system to handle an increasing amount of work or its potential to be enlarged to accommodate that growth is called scalability. Next, we have maintainability. When we can say that we have the maintainability in our system. So, on that, Martin says that over time, many different people will work on the system, engineering and operations, both maintaining current behavior and adapting the system to new use cases. And they should all be able to work on it productively, which is basically the ease with which a system can be modified, repaired, or adapted to changes in the environment or to new requirements. Every single technique, architecture, and algorithm that we write, craft, or design today are aligned with, or we can say, are focused around these three goals. The three essential goals of any software system that you will build today: reliability, scalability, and maintainability.